Have you ever looked at your Coleus and thought, what happened? Instead of that full, colorful beauty you brought home, it's turned into a tall, skinny plant with a few leaves at the top. Trust me, I've been there. But the good news is, it's an easy fix. In today's video, we'll go step by step through why Coleus gets leggy and exactly how you can bring it back to life, bushy, bright, and beautiful. Why Coleus gets tall and leggy. So, why does this happen? Well, Coleus is a fast grower, and like most fast growers, it needs a little direction. If it's not getting enough light, it stretches out trying to find the sunday. If we never pinch it back, it just keeps going up instead of spreading out. And if it's crowded in a pot or competing with other plants, it'll stretch even more. Basically, your Coleus isn't being dramatic. It's just trying to survive. Pinching and pruning. Here's the fastest way to fix it, pinching. It sounds too simple, but it works like magic. Find the tallest stem, look just above a pair of leaves, and pinch it off. That's it. Instead of growing one long, weak stem, the plant will branch out into two. Do this regularly, and suddenly your Coleus goes from tall and skinny to thick and bushy. And here's my favorite part. You don't even have to waste the cuttings. Stick them in a glass of water, and in a week or two, you'll see roots. Plant them in soil, and now you've got more Coleus for free. Pretty awesome, right? Secret ingredient. Light is the real game changer. Coleus loves bright, indirect light. Indoors, that means near an east or north-facing window. South and west windows can work too, but the light might be too harsh. To use a curtain if needed. Outdoors, partial shade is perfect. If your Coleus colors are fading, or if it's getting tall and weak, that's your clue it needs more light. And if it's leaning to one side, rotate the pot every week so it grows evenly. Watering and feeding for bushy growth. Of course, light isn't the only piece of the puzzle. Your Coleus also needs the right soil, water, and food to stay full. Use a well-draining potting mix. Coleus hates sitting in soggy soil. Keep the soil evenly moist. Think of a damp sponge. If it dries out too much, leaves droop. If it stays too wet, roots can rot. Feed it every 2-3 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. But here's a warning, don't overdo the nitrogen. Too much will make it grow tall and green, but you'll lose that amazing leaf color. Keeping it bushy long-term. Once your Coleus is looking better, you want to keep it that way. The secret is regular maintenance. Pinch the tips every couple of weeks. Don't be afraid. Coleus loves a haircut. Rotate your plant if it's indoors, so all sides get good light. And if you see flowers starting to form, snip them off. I know flowers are pretty, but for Coleus, they actually signal the end of the plant's life cycle. Removing them keeps the energy going into those gorgeous leaves. So, if your Coleus is looking tall and leggy, don't give up. With just a little pruning, the right light, and consistent care, you can completely transform it. In a few weeks, you'll go from skinny stalks to a lush, colorful Coleus that turns heads. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more plant care tips, and let me know in the comments what's the biggest challenge you've had with your Coleus. I'd love to hear your stories.